Hello, everyone out there in internet land. Aaron Decker here from aaronsdecker.com. And today I wanted to show you how to block an application like this one from your Facebook profile. So there's a couple ways of doing it. You can just click remove, but that's not going to stop this application from showing up on your profile. What you want to do is click whatever application it is, click where there's the gray text of the application itself. So when you click there, the application itself is going to actually load up. So right here, you're going to click block application. Then when you block it, it's going to OK. Go back to your profile and everything's gone. The application has been blocked. So that's it. Just a quick tip from Aaron Decker from aaronsdecker.com on how to block an application from ever being on your profile again. All right, so have a great day and we'll connect with you soon.